अनाथवा सोडून दिल्या भुरग्यांक दत्तक दिवपाक राष्ट्रीय पांवड्यार यत्न जातात. सेंट्रल अडॉप्शन रिसोर्स अथॉरिटीन कॅरिंग पोर्टल सुरू केल्या उपरांत दत्तक घेवपाची प्रक्रियेत बूस्ट मेळ्ळा. गोंयांत 2020 सावन आतां मेरेन 54 भुरग्यांक दत्तक घेतला म्हणून बायलां आनी बाल कल्याण खात्याचो रिपोर्ट सांगता. 2020 11 भुरग्यांक, 2021 18, 2022 14 भुरग्यांक जाल्यार 2023 11 भुरग्यांक कॅरियर पोर्टला सकयल पालकांनी दत्तक घेतल्यात. भारतान भुरगीं दत्तक घेवपाची प्रक्रिया सोपी करपाक एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऐश्वर्या भाटीन सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या खंडपीठाक कांय सुचोवणे दिल्यात. अनाथ भुरग्यांचो सोडून दिल्ले वा शरण आयिल्ले असो गट करप आनी सगळ्या भुरग्यांक वेवस्थेत हाडात. राज्यांत दत्तक संसाधन एजन्सी, दत्तक घेवपाक खासा एजन्सी आनी जिल्लो संरक्षण युनिटा खातीर स्टाफाचो रिकाम्यो सुवात्यो भरात. भुरगीं दत्तक घेवपी पालकांक मार्गदर्शन करपाक फावो तो डेटा एकठांय करात अश्यो सुचोवण्यो दिल्यात.
We welcome this decision. It is important to have agencies to handle this matter of adoption in our country. And we are fortunate because Goa, we have these two districts and we already have two organizations working on adoption in Caritas Goa and Matruchaya. So both these organizations are already functional, taking care of this adoption issues. The major issue that the parents face is the referrals, the delay in referrals. Often the question about when they register, the often question that we are asked is, when am I going to get the baby? When the home study report is being prepared, it's the same question. And it is true because referral takes time. We know that there are so many children in the country waiting for adoption. We know that there are so many people waiting in this country for adoption. But this gap somehow is not getting bridged, which has to be done. So the parents have to register online. And the process is that they have to, once they register, then they are on home study has to be done, where the social worker of the agency does that work. There are two parts for it. The parents have to fill in the first part, the second part is to be filled in along with the parents, the second part. That's the whole composite thing forms the home study, which the agency afterwards uploads it on the Carings portal, and then the wait period begins for the parents for a referral. So this is the crucial difficulty that all the parents are facing.
प्रुडंट खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा चेतन गवस.